My name is Basha. Welcome. Please, you're wonderful hands together for the last comedian, SLK. And secondly, please don't record with all due respect. We have to understand it's a show. You can't record and post on behalf of the person organizing the show. Please. And please, if you're going to record with original phone, no China. I bought one in Ikeja last week. As I was driving, all those boys that had phones in hold up. One just tell me, bros. I say, iPhone 12. I say, He said iPhone 12. I said, when they do, I say, we do it on their behalf. And I said on it, he now put it on. And I said, but that is Nokia. I said, if you check the battery, say it's Samsung. I say, hey, keep your phone. Original BlackBerry 75,000. China BlackBerry 2,500. What did the original get? China no get that. Only one for get television, radio, antenna, MP3, Bluetooth, if I don't know loudspeaker. People go come say the phone no they start selfie. How we go start selfie? If you will be human being, you get malaria, gonorrhea, cancer, I bet you don't go die. I don't come. Where body just they come for this country? I don't call your copper for. Just come play around. Now they're talking about Nigerian music, but my best song for last year was P Square. My bank account to my bank, my check, mommy. You know how much those boys they charge? 20 million. They're not correct. Their bank account will be banging. If you get I'm not joking. No. If their bank account is banging, imagine somebody bank account and music. Ask some people bank account will be. Jim Ovia of Zenith Bank. In bank account will be something like Flavor. Borukoto. But Dangote, that will not even get bank account because the bank account go don't sing, you go don't take dump and dump. But you get the amount will enter your phone. You get as your phone will vibrate. 15 million. 12 million. 10 million. 5 million. 10 million. 1 million. 500K. 2K. Because you get where your father-in-law go get money rich, you can decide to bear your wife's money. Imagine me married Dangote daughter. My name is Bashiru Dangote. People go say, are you happy? It's not a lie. Dangote had a wedding a few months ago. What's the name of the husband? Nobody know. But what's the name of the now Dangote daughter? Mommy, turn to your neighbor. Say poverty will not be your portion. No, I'm not your poverty will not be your portion. Mommy, I will give you an idea. It's not a joke. Everything that is good in life have a surname. Check out the best countries in the world. They have surname. United States of America, United Kingdom, Great Britain, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Countries where they give you a short name. Iraq, Iran, Libya, Syria, you are your own. Check out the best drinks, they have surname. NSCP, SOP, Jack Daniel, Moet and Chandon, Coca-Cola. Drinks we go give you, we go make you at 150, now short name, Agbara. Ishoma, look, Bankirion Soboto, you will kill yourself. Moto, when they have moto, then they get son name. Moto, Lamborghini Potash, Honda Accord, Bugatti Veyron, Mercedes Benz, Toyota Corolla. Moto that will send you back to your village in a short name, that's all. Subaru, Fiat, Peugeot, you are your own. I know the choco. That is why I know the choco. So if you are a Yoruba man here and if that O have O in your name, put it in your title. Every Yoruba man, put it in your title. Every state in Yoruba, they have their O either in the state or the capital. Lagos, Onode. Osun, Onode. Ondo, Onode. Or your own, the other two states, when you get O for the state, they put out for the capital. Kwara, Ilorin, Odede, Ekiti, Ado Ekiti, Odede. Every politician, when they will be Yoruba, they get home. About time I will know. Olusegun Obasanjo, Bola Tinubu, Alawakala, Raji Fashola, Ambode. The only man when you get O for a sharp man, he put out for a title. His name like Benga Daniel. He said I am October Benga Daniel. He won election. I hope put her everywhere. Every problem we with the face for Nigeria and alphabet P, poverty P, pot O P, poor social infrastructure P, prostitution P, presidency P, political party P, police P, politician P. Every political party for Nigeria they get P for their name. APC, PDP, OPC. Ooh, they accuse the presidency. We must get by force. Now, before I take a walk, I tell people. Now, mommy, I'm not here to do a joke. I'm just here to talk about a brother, a very wonderful guy, Prince Will. I was telling somebody the other time, I said, Bash, what's wrong with you now? This is not a joke. It's an insult that women are fighting for woman equality because women are superior to men. Put your wonderful hands together for all the beautiful women here. Mommy, no, you don't need clap. I will prove it to you. They are the only creation in the Bible that even God that created did not write the date. The first day created life, 6th day created man, 7th day he rest. Public holiday where you know they do anything. Now he creates women. That is where women are created from finished material. Men are created from raw material. Men are created from clay. Women are created from leaves. That is why no matter how much you change your password, your wife go know. How did they know? And we know they know, but they know. I don't change my password tire for her. I started with 2482 Sherlock. 7482 Sherlock. I can't enter pattern. Sherlock, I do high lock, Sherlock, mad lock, ear lock, Sherlock. You know, man, we are very forgetful. I now forgot my password. I woke up to her honey. Kí ni password you are? Kilo demotic bad boom on relating. Now I just thought this one, my worker. Now Nigeria is a very wonderful country. We have different tribes in Nigeria. Do we have the Calabar here? Abari. Calabar is the only tribe in the world that their names sound like past tense. Who took? Is the past tense of who take? Who fought? Is the past tense of what about who bought? Calabar, the only tribe that can never be armed robber. Why? Because of the way they talk. If armed robber enter here now, you must have authority. No! If you move, shoot. Wait, how Calabar man go take rob? My brother, if you move, I hear. If you hear, I am near. I don't like to sit down and go sit down. Idiot. Igbo people there. Igbo Kwenu. Check out the Yoruba man business card. Name is more than the job. I saw a business card in Ibadan. Chief, you could call it if I told me. Otufa of Ilefe. Ajiroba of Osogbo. Otufa Jebode. Job herbalist. Igbo man can never make that mistake. Check Igbo man business card. Only one name. They make a what did remain in business? Importer, exporter, recharge canceller, edit possible. The small spell where they make for the card, they will write and general merchandise. In case there's anything where you they buy with the seller. Yoruba people there, I know they are here. Yoruba people, anywhere there is chair, they are there. They are seated. Ask them, what did they do? Yoruba the only tribe in the world that are scared of sound. If people might hear sound, they know they run. If people might hear sound, bah! They go, wait. They say, nah, that thing sounded like a gun. Yoruba man that buy food, I want to wash hands. Silence and motor don't do that. As he walk out there, baby, and you kilo shele in Kokondu. Something sound and some people they shop. They say how you take no. He say now you go tell me. If you get the corner to continue to be inside second like, wait you go here, motiyo. They say now only Yoruba man they drive motor where be bulletproof. He hear some rubber they run for the front. He go come down begin run. Now driver go balance shift and he bulletproof motor. Alori aburu. Oh, I'm back to show where you jam salo kuti Just in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Bash Takash. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the show.